Hello, everyone, and welcome back. Today's lesson is all about English at the airport. If you travel internationally or dream of traveling one day, this video is going to help you understand common airport situations and the English phrases you need to handle them confidently. Before we begin, let me quickly introduce this channel. You're watching English Learning School, where we help English learners improve their speaking, listening, and practical communication skills with easy explanations and real-life examples. If you enjoy learning English in a simple and clear way, make sure to subscribe and stay connected with us. Now, let's get started with our airport English lesson. 1. Checking in. The first thing you do at the airport is check in for your flight. Here are some useful phrases you may hear or need to use. Example 1. Airline staff, may I see your passport and ticket, please? This means they need to verify your identity and confirm that you're booked on the flight. You should hand over your passport and your booking details. Example 2. I would like to check in, please. This is a polite and simple way to begin the conversation. The staff will then ask for your documents. Example 3. Staff, do you have any bags to check in? Here they want to know if you are putting your luggage into the cargo compartment of the plane. You can answer, yes, I have one suitcase, or no, I only have carry-on luggage. Carry-on luggage refers to the bags you take with you into the cabin of the plane. Next, you go through security check. This is where security officers check your bags to ensure safety. Example 1. Officer, please place your bags on the conveyor belt. This means you should put your items on the moving belt that goes through the X-ray machine. Example 2. Officer, please remove your laptop and liquids from your bag. You must take out electronics and liquids so they can be checked separately. Most airports require liquids to be in small containers. Example 3. Officer, step forward, please. They're asking you to move ahead, usually to pass through the scanner or metal detector. These instructions may seem short, but each one has a purpose. Pay attention to the tone and follow the signs. They help guide you through the process easily. If you are traveling internationally, you must pass through immigration. Example 1. Officer, what is the purpose of your visit? You should answer with a short explanation, like, I'm here for tourism, I'm traveling for business, or I'm visiting family. Example 2. Officer, how long will you stay? You can respond with, I will stay for 2 weeks, or I'm staying for 5 days. Example 3. Officer, where will you be staying? Here you need to tell them your hotel name or the address where you will live during your visit. When answering immigration questions, stay calm, speak clearly, and give honest, direct answers. After immigration, you go to your departure gate. Here are useful phrases. Example 1. Announcement. Flight 307 to London is now boarding. Boarding means passengers can begin entering the plane. When you hear this, check your gate number and prepare to line up. Example 2. Excuse me, is this the boarding gate for Flight 307? This is helpful if you're unsure whether you're at the correct gate. Example 3. Staff, please have your boarding pass ready. Your boarding pass is your ticket to enter the plane. Keep it easily accessible. When you enter the plane, flight attendants may greet you and give instructions. Example 1. Flight attendant, welcome aboard. This is a warm greeting meaning welcome to the plane. Example 2. Flight attendant, your seat is down this aisle on the left. They are guiding you to your seat. Aisle means the walkway between rows of seats. Example 3. You. Could you help me place my bag in the overhead compartment? If your bag is heavy, it is completely fine to ask for assistance. The overhead compartment is the storage space above your seat. Airports can be confusing, but using English to ask for help makes everything easier. Example 1. Excuse me, where is gate B16? This question helps you find the correct area. Example 2. Could you please tell me how to get to the baggage claim area? Baggage claim is where you pick up your luggage after landing. Example 3. I think my bag is missing. Who should I speak to? This is useful if your luggage does not arrive. Staff will direct you to the Lost and Found or Baggage Service Desk. When you land at your destination, 1. Announcement. Please proceed to baggage claim. This means you should go to the area where bags arrive on a moving belt. Example 2. You. Is this the carousel for Flight 307? A carousel is the circular belt where luggage appears. Example 3. Staff, please check the screen for your flight number. Screens show which belt your luggage will come out on. Final tips. Before we finish, here are some tips to help you feel confident. Speak slowly and clearly. Don't be shy to ask for help. Listen carefully to announcements. Read signs. They are extremely helpful. Traveling becomes much easier when you understand these common airport phrases. Thank you for watching today's lesson on English at the airport. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and share it with other learners. This is English Learning School, helping you improve your English one lesson at a time. See you in the next video.